Now, let's bring the slide out. So we're going to come to our control panel, and we're going to look for the slide room. There's in, there's out. Now, this has to be done while it's connected to the shore power, the electrical box, and powered on, because it gives it the amps to push the slide out. So we're going to hold this out button until it's all the way out. And this is designed to be this slow, so don't be alarmed. Once it gets to the end of the slide, hold it for 3 seconds. This will sync the motors up if they're unsynced. 1, 2, 3. And the slide is out. And we're going to walk around and check to make sure. There you have it. Slides out.